Ever spent hours debugging why your scraper got blocked while trying to normalize CSVs from 20 different sites? Data engineers shouldn't waste cycles fighting proxy rotation failures or writing custom regex for malformed XML. This pack gives you distributed proxy rotation with rate limit detection, dynamic schema validation for structured data, multi-format parsing, HTML, XML, JSON, PDF, and built-in retry logic with exponential backoff. Whether you're a data engineer drowning in DAGs, a machine learning engineer chasing training data, or a backend dev maintaining legacy scrapers, we've all been there. Let's scrap the spaghetti code. Here's what's inside the web scraping pipeline pack: proxy orchestration with rotating headers and automatic throttle detection, schema validation using JSON schema and Avro format enforcement, document parsing with PDF.js integration and XPath selectors, error handling with circuit breaker patterns and retry queues, data storage connectors for Postgres, MongoDB, and Parquet files. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Build once, deploy anywhere. No more framework lock-in nightmares. Installing the web scraping pipeline pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add web scraping pack. That's it. You'll get the complete workflow: proxy manager, parser engine, validation layer, and storage adapter. No PhD in regex required. Your next Claude Code session picks up the tooling automatically. Your AI assistant now understands rate limit headers, can generate schema definitions from samples, and troubleshoots connection pools. We'll even auto-detect your database credentials. No more env file madness. Scrap the boilerplate and start shipping tomorrow.